What's up guys, so this is a quick video on the new Crosstour CT9000 4K action camera fitted to a helmet and footage. So right guys, this is what the camera actually looks like. It's a 4K camera like I said. If you want to watch a video on unboxing it or how to use it and connect to the app, I've done a video on that on my channel. So if you want to check that out, go and please check that out there. So so we're going to fit this camera to this helmet. But the first thing I'm going to show you is the mount itself. I've already actually fitted a mount on my helmet because I've done a video on how to fit a Hero 5 session to your helmet, and that's when I actually fitted it. So if you want to check out how I fitted that, you can go and check that on my channel and the videos there. But a quick breakdown, all I did was I got this GoPro mount, a curved one, and what I did was I got some double-sided 3M adhesive tape and I've cut strips off it and I've stuck it to the actual mount on either side, and then I've stuck it to the helmet. But they actually say you can heat the sticky pad up first before you actually stick it to the helmet, and it makes a really strong adhesive bond. So I've actually had this fitted to my helmet now for over a year now. I've had no issues or no problems with it, and it's not come off or anything like that. I've not even had to put a tether to it. So that's how I connected it up. But if you want to watch how I did it, you can check that out on my video on my channel. So right guys, the first thing we'll do is put the camera in the waterproof housing. So next thing I've got a GoPro mount. I've got a straight joint. You can get these in short ones or long ones. So I've got the longer one. So first thing we're going to do is going to connect that to it. Get a thumb screw and tighten that up. I'll just move this helmet out of the way a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. So we'll stick that in and tighten that up. Don't fully tighten it up so we can still adjust it, so we can move it back and forwards. Next thing we'll do is we'll connect the camera to it. And we'll put the thumb screw through it. So this is what we've got so far. So right, we're going to connect that up now. What we're going to do is we're going to slide it upwards onto the mount this way. So we'll do that now. Just get the rubber out of the way because it's stopping it. Once it clicks into the place, you just push the rubber down, and then what you need to do first of all is tilt the camera back as far as it goes onto this mount, and then tilt it back like that, and that's your perfect mount for on a sports bike, that is. I'll just put that down there if you can see that. So that's how it's going to be mounted, basically like that. If you weren't on a sports bike, you'd probably position it a bit more straighter like that. But as if you're on a sports bike and you're sitting forward, you're going to tend to sit like this. So your head's not going to be like that, it's going to be like that, so it'll be pointing down. So that's how you fit a Crosstour camera to a helmet. And that's about it guys. I'll get you some footage now so you can see that. Right guys, so that's the footage for the Crosstour camera, and I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying one, or helps somebody out who's thinking about fitting one to a helmet. So right guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. Bye.